Hey folks, Poverty Point Customs here. Just doing a quick review on my Motomaster Eliminator 1400 P-Camp booster pack. I've had it a little over 7 months now. Just purchased at Canadian Tire for $100 plus tax, which is 15%, so $115 Canadian. One thing I do like is I've used it several times in the barn with my tractor at nighttime. When I was plowing and the battery died, is the little attached LED light. This is a little picture of the control panel. To use the booster, you gotta turn it on. This is your battery charge status. If you want to use the USB port, press that button. There's the old cigarette lighter 12-volt source and the USB port. Just a little view of the back. That's the built-in air pump. One complaint I do have is I find that the hose, it's functional, but it is kind of short. Again, there's your negative and positive battery cables. And there's your 110 charging. So you just plug it in. One thing I do find is if it is dead, you pretty much have to plug it in all night for it to get a full charge. Again, it's nice. I'll tell you roughly, right now it's got a full charge. They say to plug it in every month if you're not using it to charge it up a little bit. I'm sure it does lose a little bit of its charge. So far I've boosted our truck with it many times without issues, the tractor several times. We've actually used the USB port on trips when I forgot the USB plug for the 12-volt plug in the car. I usually keep this in the trunk of the truck just in case. One complaint I do have, again it is functional but it is slow, is the air compressor on the back. If you have a completely flat tire, you're going to hook that up and wait about minimum 5 minutes for it to fill up the tire. Again, it is functional, just a little bit slow, but it is nice to certainly have that built in. That's just a little showing of the dial there. For the price I paid, I believe the retail price before tax is roughly $189.99 plus tax Canadian. Is it worth that? Well, I get it for $100 plus tax. You know, if you have to use it that couple times in the middle of winter time when you get a dead battery, $100 isn't a whole lot of money. If you call a tow truck around here, you're going to spend $100 for it to come boost you. So pretty much 1 or 2 uses and it's paid for itself. So in my opinion, I'd certainly give it a thumbs up. If you watch my channel, I did a review on my old one that I had for quite a few years, and obviously it lasted for quite a few years to the point I got a new one to replace it as the battery was getting tired out. Again guys, just a quick review on it. Definitely recommend it, and I'll do another review on it probably in another year just to see how it's holding up after the year and a half of usage. Alright guys, thanks for watching. I'm going to wrap this video up. If you enjoy videos such as this, you might want to consider subscribing. Thanks for watching. Have a good night.